So you might have invited students, or you may have students in your Google Classroom. And if you want to go ahead and remove some of the students from your Google Classroom, then you need to go around under the People tab right here. So once you do that over here, what you can simply do is you can select out the students right here. And then, for example, you can select out all of the students you have and remove them out right here from the remove section. Or what you can do is you can select out a particular student right here as well and then remove them out. So if I were to go around and remove, it says, are you sure you want to remove the student from class? So if you want to remove it, you can click on remove, and the student will no longer have access to your particular Google Classroom. But you can go around and invite the student back again as you wish as well. So if I were to go around over here and then invite the student once more, then what happens is that they'll be invited back onto the class as well. And you can see that right now my students are in invited state as they haven't joined the class yet. So that is how you can go around and remove out students, and even if they have joined the classroom, you can still remove them. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.